Now, I've been cooking on YouTube for almost a year now, and I haven't even showed any crazy food creations. Today, that's gonna end. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today, I'm gonna be doing something crazy and funky, but super delicious. I'll be taking some carne asada that I already had made. If you wanna see how to make carne asada, it'll be somewhere around here in the corner. That way you can check out that video. A sincronizada is basically two tortillas put together to make kind of like a tortilla sandwich. But I'm always gonna put my twist on things. So this one I'm gonna make it a little crazy. So this is gonna be a breakfast carne asada sincronizada. I know it's a mouthful, but let's get into the recipe. All right, so we're gonna start off with our carne asada that we had made the other night. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on our flat top. Go ahead and put this over to the side a little bit. I am going to be putting down some chicken as well. You know, if you have leftover meat, this is so much faster and easier to cook, but if you got, you know, just your raw meats, that's fine, no worries. It cooks really quick, so just make sure you cook up your meat, and then I'll show you how to assemble everything. But I also have another little twist on this. Like I said, this is a breakfast sincronizada, so yeah, we'll get to that in a second. Okay, so now that we have everything heated up, basically just move it all over to this side because I have the heat lower on this side, so we don't want it to overcook. So for this next portion, I got some chopped smoked ham, I got some tomatoes, some garlic, minced garlic, I have some bell pepper, yellow onion, and some cilantro. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and saute this a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay over some scrambled eggs on top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down just a little bit of oil, get that going. We're gonna go ahead and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm telling you right now, the smells of this right here is really, really good. You get the fresh onion smell in there, the sauteing of it. And you got the garlic, and I got that smoked ham in there. It's just a beautiful, beautiful smell. Oh. Alright, now that the onion's already a little translucent, I'm gonna just add my scrambled eggs into the mix.
looks like a big lobster.
It's not a lobster. It's not a lobster. It's egg.
It just...
Alright, so the eggs are done. So basically I'm gonna just scoot them over and then we're gonna assemble that crazy food creation that I got in my head. First time making it like this, but find out how it looks. Alright, so let's take some nice good sized tortillas, lay them down on the griddle. Go ahead and give these a flip. This one here, we're gonna give it some of that little breakfast love. Spread that around a little bit. This one here, we're gonna go ahead and lay down some of that carne asada. While that backside is toasting up, go ahead and lay down some cheese. Lots of cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Now this is a mild cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. You could use the 3 cheese Mexican or Fiesta blend. I love Monterey Jack cheese on, you know, quesadillas and stuff like that. Cheddar also. Lots of cheese, y'all. Lots of cheese, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna take this side, go ahead and lay it right there on top. That's gonna let all that cheese melt that's on that other one that's on the top there. Now we're gonna go ahead and take us our third tortilla. We're gonna let that warm up. Get this thing all nice and just beautiful looking. Now I'm not done. Just because I have the tortillas together doesn't mean I'm done. I actually have an idea for after I'm done with this. So yeah, just wait to see that. Alright, tortillas heating up. Go ahead and leave that one like that. Nice and hot there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a flip. Perfect. So far looking good. Let's go ahead and check the bottom. Perfect. Now the best part is I'm gonna be able to cut into this thing and you're gonna see what it looks like. All right, y'all. Moment of truth here. Look at that. That right there is layers of flavor. Well, lesson learned. I had my camera a little too close to the griddle and it overheated. So this is the last footage you'll get to see the rest of this thing. But basically what I did is I topped it with a little bit of avocado slices and a good canned salsa called El Pato sauce. It's really, really delicious. And trust me, when I put this thing together, it was good. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I gotta tell you one thing, that is something that I've been missing on my channel and I really can't wait to get into some more crazy different foods. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that we can see future recipes just like this one and many more. If you have any comments or anything you want to say about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you later. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.